Okay, I went in for a bit, but we're back out. Casper, you still staying in the street? You still staying in the street?
Yeah, I'll stay in the street. I'll just be riding your bike around.
Use your bike.
Yeah, but Keith will not let us.
You can ride mine. It's better.
What are we going to be doing though?
Okay, one of our friends are going. Well, they're not going, but they're just going. They're like eating some walkers.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi.
I'm gonna begin walking over to my side. I'm sorry if I'm quiet because I'm eating, so. Yeah? So, gotta wait for my friend. Then we'll be heading up to my area. Up there. You'll see when we get there. I'm really sorry for the long delay. But you wouldn't know the delay, but like, I was about to steal a brain rot and got 2 brain rot gods, so. So we're going up my area. We're gonna put my bike in. You need to? I have nowhere to put it.
You don't go that way.
This faster? No! He's not coming! No, Keith! He's not coming. So we're just gonna like go up my side. And like right, we're gonna check around there. I know that side a lot more than I do down there, so I'll probably find some more things down there. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we found a body bag. I'm not saying we will, but I just want to see something good. Steve! Okay, so I'm just heading up my street now, so my camera normally isn't in front of me, so I'm sorry about that. But I'll try and keep it in front for a while. So we're nearly there. Like in my car park area. Come on. It'll catch up. I think one of my friends are coming back, so we're nearly there. I just have to put my bike in my garden and go. So put it in the garden. Okay, so we're now here. As you can see, type of little area. I gotta wait for my friends, so should we wait for Casper? Okay, we're just gonna go in. Okay. What is this? Why? No? Come on. Okay, so we're gonna actually wait for my friends. Other friends. Hmm? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a bit until we actually go in, so it's gonna be like 5-10 minutes.